Scraping.
Bang it harder,
to get all the loose. There's a lot more loose than I thought. And I absolutely love those wheels.
Yeah, they do. And the center caps are appropriate.
This axle needs to be out more.
Yeah, it needs to come out because we're gonna be pressing bearings later. It was hung up on something on the brakes, but I just
my god!
I just had it enough so we can move the river. That's the one that we still have to finish the axle seal on that side. That one's the silicone bottom. Well, they're both were silicone bottom, but yeah, you can see it's still grooves in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, fun. Oh no, come on. The third member's finally unstuck. I think it's never been opened.
Stuck on the bottom.
I guess now we can take the nuts out, huh?
Yeah, the bottom's stuck.
You're a bottom slut.
Oh, slowly. Oh, there we go. Come on, bitch. Let that drain for a second.
Hey, look at that!
Before I completely open that up.
Hey, Burnsy.
Because that stinks. Yes, sir.
I wonder if that gear oil is as bad as, actually, I don't think that's as bad as the gear oil. That was in,
the 62?
The 56 was the worst. You weren't here for that?
Oh, no.
I took the diff cover off that, which, by the way, the diff cover was so rusted. I was afraid I was going to put my finger through it.
Oh, shit.
So I undid the diff cover, took it off, and the stuff came out so slow. It was like Jell-O. It was bad, but bad. Alright, so once we get this out, then we can see what the fuck we got going on. Oh, yeah, it's ready.
Yeah, we'll just let it drain a little bit.
Let her drain a bit.
Before. You're going to get underneath there and help me with this. I am not breaking my back today. I think I broke my back on the last one.
He's talking about his pussy and his crack, too. It's that bottom one. It's like bound up. Ooh.
Not no more.
There it goes.
You recording?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, you didn't say
No, I'm standing here for my friggin' fun and frolic. What is that?
Fuck all these washers from?
Hey.
I'm sorry today.
Not a problem.
Can you not be mommy all the time?
Nope.
Yes, dear.
Somebody's got to be mommy around here.
Someone has to play the adult.
Because trust me, I'm not the freaking adult. I almost said it again.
No one's an
Is there washers over there?
Yes. There you go. I think you got, yeah. Alright. Thanks, buddy.
I guess I'm doing this. I'm doing this and doing this and doing it well.
Actually, one of my favorite songs by him.
That's a good song, actually. Work it, girl. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Front door.
Wiggle,
Oh, trust me, I've come up with some words that did not even exist in the English language to cover when I want to swear. I really have.
Was it Swedish?
As long as it was, you know, enlargement.
Swedish environment?
One Swedish penis enlargement.
That's not a fucking word. Sorry.
Oh shit. Yeah, well, now you're on the tip, it's gonna bombs away. Look out. Scott. Pumpkin. Yahtzee. Oh. Wow, look at the chunky oil. You okay, Lindsay? Are you pregnant? Need a
I'm
beer?
not pregnant.
Need a
Can
beer?
we try again?
Always. For you. Valerie, sorry.
Valerie.
You're his home wife, I'm his work husband.
There you go.
Apparently, I'm a lot of people's work husbands.
You're my work wife.
Well, I don't know about all that.
I ever tell you the time? This was a few years ago. Worked with this younger gay kid. And Sunday and the tennis, you know, we go to one place. Or excuse me, I went to one place. He showed up with my friend Brandy. She took off to go get.
Right.
She had to go powder her nose?
No.
Yeah.
Oh. Stories.
So he was staying at her place, so was I. So she's like, you have to take him home. I said, well, we're going to Neil's first. Okay, cool. Get hammered. Go back to the house. He made some kind of dessert or whatever earlier. So he's like, I'm going to go get a piece of it. I'm like, I'm going to bed. And I called his phone earlier because he lost his phone in my car. Next thing you know, ding. Let me. Ding. Me. Ding. I'm not even fucking, excuse me, looking at the rest of that. Suck your
Right.
dick. And I'm like,
This
door
is the most inappropriate
doesn't
video.
lock. And this guy's drunk.
Oh God. Yeah.
So I didn't fall asleep until, because he was staying in the room next to me. I heard snoring over there. But I was like, never talked about it. See him a few other times, said hi to him. I was just laughing. I'm like,
Yeah.
So, that random story in the middle of the video. Ooh, push out the chunkies. Push out the load!
oh, that felt,
yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you feel chunkies? Oh, there's chunkies! Wait.
oh, that was gross.
You might want to go. Gary's here. You might want to go get Gary.
That's
That's not good.
that's
He's
thick.
he's on his phone,
Oh.
so I'm not gonna bother the man.
Wait.
There's more. Trust me.
Whoa. Okay, that's like what came out of the 56.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
But
is-
all of it was like that.
I can't believe this is like worse. Oh my God, that's gonna take some
Hold on. Look at it. It's like
Oh yeah, no, I see it.
jello.
I'm trying not to vomit.
Sorry, Scotty.
Oh my
The
god.
stench is bad.
Yeah.
I'm glad I can't smell it over here.
When I popped the axles out, that's the way it was. Okay, so you can have that right there.
Yeah, this is a mess. This is not good. You want to go for another load?
Nope.
Go for another load. Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on. Oh wait, let me get a video.
Yeah, because we've got to get all that.
You gotta get it all
That's
out,
not
so
a
you might as
problem.
well just do it now. Just bite the bullet. Just don't get it on you. Oh, this is horrible. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna shoot a separate clip. All right, Bernsey, what are you pulling out of the diff?
Chunkies.
Here, just show me.
Hold on.
Wait.
There you
Okay,
go.
dump it. We'll dump it. Dump that load.
Did you want to see this, Gary? It's thirsty.
Oh,
This rear end definitely needed to be gone through.
Ooh.
This
There's
is this is like
chunks.
the fourth.
handful of goop.
Ugh.